All right, I'm like 5 minutes away from this place. 5 minutes away from getting rid of my dream car. I'm selling the car, not my plate. This is kind of sad, dude. We have signed bill of sale. We are done. I no longer own this. Insane. That is nuts. Dude, that is all you need. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate you clicking on today's video. It is officially the day. Last video you heard me talking about selling my 2017 Audi R8 with the VF supercharger. Well, today's officially the day that we are dropping it off to its new owner. Kind of felt real when we were talking about it in the last video. Kind of felt real when I got a deposit. But it really feels real now that I am officially going to drop it off. When I come home tonight, I am not going to have an Audi R8 anymore, which is crazy to think about. Now, I know I mentioned in the last video that I wanted to replace this car with a 2025 E-Ray and do a twin turbo build. I am still planning on doing that. However, I have not found the car yet. I've talked to a bunch of dealerships, but the thing is, there's so many of them on the lots, and pretty much any spec that I want is out there. I just have to find the right one with the right deal from the right dealer. So far, the one downside is every one that I'm finding is in a different state, so I have not gotten to actually see it in person. There more than likely is going to be a couple weeks where I go with just nothing, don't have the car, because I'm not trying to rush the purchase like I kind of did with this one. I found the car I wanted, I immediately went out and got it. Luckily, it was the exact spec that I wanted, and I think I got a pretty decent deal. I paid 137 grand for this car. It's a fully loaded 2017 V10 Plus, meaning it has the all-wheel drive, the carbon everywhere, the carbon all in the engine bay, the carbon all in the interior. It had every single option I wanted. So we're good here. For the E-Ray, I kind of felt myself saying, oh, maybe I don't need this or need that feature. Wrong. When it comes to the C8, there's so many of them on the lots. I should be able to pick whatever spec I want, whatever trim I want, whatever color I want, and there should be that combination sitting out there. I just got to find the right one with the right deal, again, from the right dealer. So let's get this thing ready for the new buyer. I already went ahead and cleaned it last video. It's not perfectly clean now. There's a little bit of dust on it, but either way, we're driving this thing 2 hours today, so it's gonna get a little bit dirty. I'm literally waiting for his answer right now on if they want to keep the wheels or not. Again, I got full carbon fiber Brixtons on this thing. These go for like $20,000. Very dumb financial decision. I'm not just selling these with the car. I have another set of wheels, and I was going to throw those on or sell the wheels separately for an extra $10,000. So I'm trying to see what they want to do. I'm obviously not just going to pull up with the wheels if this isn't what they want. And I don't exactly have storage for the other wheels for them to just decide on a whim if they want them or not. You know what I should do? So no promo, but we're giving away a Ford Lightning and a Mach 1 and a trailer. But until this is fully over and the giveaway is over, I just have a 2025 trailer sitting right here. Technically speaking, I could just throw the trailer on the back of Fred with the R8 and tow the R8 all the way down there with Fred. That would be hilarious. No, that's dumb. That's really dumb. All right, let's get the start up. Final cold start. Sad day. Sad day. Man, 5 years ago, I never would have believed that I would get an Audi R8. And here we are about to sell the Audi R8. That's crazy. Life is crazy, guys. Life is crazy. This is a great example of betting on yourself. That's my life motto. Bet on yourself. I don't know how I got here, man. It's just every day, one foot in front of the other, saying it's gonna happen. I don't know what I gotta do to make it happen, but I'm gonna make it happen, and we've done it. So, on to the next adventure. Hopefully this is a smart decision, getting rid of my dream car, but again, the new dream is an E-Ray with twin turbos and making fantastic content on it. And who knows what door that will open. All right, we've got a 2 hour and 2 minute drive, 110 miles. And the the R8, reminiscing and hoping that nothing goes wrong. I think they've got some cool cars. Maybe I can get a ride in one of those because I'm being so nice and, you know, delivering the car. I got John Cloutstang meeting me there. I'm not gonna lie, the only thing I'm excited about right now is the fact that I'm not gonna have a car payment on this thing, $1,600 anymore, so that'll be nice. Until we find the new E-Ray spec, then the car payment's coming right back. Other thing I'm excited for, the last time that I'm filling this thing up on gas. It definitely was a gas guzzler. I never expected good fuel economy from a supercharged V10, but it definitely gets pricey when you want to drive this thing. So we're gonna fill this thing up for the last time, and then I guess just keep on driving. Oh, no way. No way. There's a vet behind me. Please race. I need to know if this is a sign. I will turn around right now. I'll turn around right now. I won't sell it. Oh. It's a Stingray. See though that, okay, all right, okay, see though, that's bad. That's bad, because my reaction immediately was, oh, it's just a Stingray. If I get the E-Ray, that's exactly what people are gonna think. Oh, it's just a Stingray. Damn, I'm contradicting myself. All right, I'm like 5 minutes away from this place. 5 minutes away from getting rid of my dream car. And I'm not gonna lie, I really don't have any regrets. I mean, I'm driving the car like, yes, I enjoy this, but I remember the joy of experiencing a new car for the first time, like a different car for the first time, and I loved it. And my new high typically is coming from just trying new things, and I've had this car for a while. I want to try something new. So as upset as I am about getting rid of it, I am just as excited about trying something else. Selling the car, not my plate. This is kind of sad, dude. This is kind of sad.
Bittersweet moment.
But it's happening.
Goodbye, R8. Bye.
At least rip it, bro.
Alright, well, at least it's going to somebody who's going to take care of it. That's a pro.
Alright, test drive went well. He liked it, so we're all good. I assumed so. I mean, I drove 2 hours out here. He was pretty much decided. Just had to make sure there was nothing wrong with the car, no check engine lights, whatever. I'm trying to get a ride in this Huracan that he has.
All right, about to get a ride in a twin turbo Huracan. This will be pretty cool. He's got some pretty cool cars. So I've never experienced quad bead locks before.
Turbos on this. I should go a little bit bigger, but the turbos.
I mean, you can hear him real good.
Yeah.
That sounds so sweet. Those noises coming from a V10 is crazy to me.
Yeah, it is, and that's the only reason why I turbo. I don't want to race too much. I want to see what I can do too, but
The sounds.
Just driving somewhere, it's crazy how it sounds.
Plus, you see a Huracan pulling up on quad bead locks. It's like, damn. Okay, this thing means business. Yeah, that's definitely enough. You don't need more than that.
Make it shoot flames. It's a quarter throttle.
That's crazy.
My secondary pump is bad, so I gotta replace it. I paid $2,600. I got the whole fuel system.
Damn.
Yeah. Pumps and everything. I just gotta put it in. It's so much fun.
Yeah. That's insane. And that's on 8 pounds, 7, 8 pounds?
This is quarter throttle. It's not. Once I put it in sport,
That's all you need.
Go to the track. Have fun. And then if I wanted to be quiet, put on strap.
Daily driver.
Usually for cops.
Daily driver. That's crazy. Those noises.
That's what gets me every time. Sounds like lightning, don't it?
It does. That is crazy.
Anywhere you want to go in particular? Or?
No, I just wanted to experience it. This is great. Dude, that is all you need. That's perfect. And you can run this on 93, normal, pump gas, know it. Damn.
Make 800 all day. Reliable.
That is awesome.
Every day.
Okay, hang on. Oh my gosh, that is nuts. And it just keeps pulling.
Don't stop.
That is awesome.
Doing 200 is so easy.
I got up to 176 with the supercharger and I was like, I'm tapping out.
Really?
It took a minute. It took a minute. And this one has Garrett's on it, you said?
Huh?
This has Garrett's on it?
They're only 58s. I'm gonna go
58s.
big.
Oh yeah, gold plate.
Did the piping as minimal as possible. You can see it.
It is official. We have signed bill of sale. We are done. I no longer own this.
Bye-bye.
You don't touch that guy's car. I no longer own this. This is surreal. So like I said, sold the car $150,000.
You're getting the E-Ray?
Yeah. It's so weird seeing somebody else drive your car.
Good riddance. It's time for the C8.
So, John, how do you feel about this endeavor?
Normally, I wouldn't be upset, but I'm upset because you sold the R8 for a Corvette. That doesn't make sense
It will
to me.
be. You got to see the vision.
You sold the fancy dream car for a boomer classic. I'll go a Corvette, but it's electric. That's like the
Hey, you know an SF90 is a hybrid too.
I don't even know what that is.
A Ferrari. John's not too stoked about it, but trust the vision. It will be,
Unbelievable.
the E-Ray will be cool with twin turbos. Plus, guess what? When it comes around this month, oh, car payment, don't have one.
True. Yeah.
That part's nice. $1,600 that I just wiped clean. You know how much money I just saved? What's 1,600 times 20 or 12? 1,600 times 12.
I can't do math. I'm trying to dodge the guy on the scooter.
I just saved myself 20 grand a year.
Damn.
Not including insurance. Yeah, so this was a smart financial decision.
5 grand a month.
I say as I'm also going to replace it with another car that's going to give me a car payment. But
Yeah,
there'll
you got
be
a few months of like free.
probably only a
few
few
monies.
weeks because now I'm already itching. I want something new. So how much of a loser did I just become? I went from a supercar owner to a non-supercar owner like that.
What's the coolest car you got now, Fred?
Shit.
Or the Vet? The C.
I'm giving away the Vet at $1 million. I'm literally going to have, wow.
You're gonna have Fred in the Mustang.
I'm going to have Fred in a month. This is the fall off. Wow, and I did it to myself.
Back
wow.
to the basics.
Back to the basics.
At least you did it to yourself and you weren't forced.
That's true. That's true. Also, what are we supposed to do with this?
Let's go to Outback Steakhouse on you.
Man, this is sad. It's the next day. We got back late last night. My spots are already taken. This is where the R8 was sitting. Now the Mach 1's sitting there.
It did, I'm not gonna lie, I wanna sit here and tell you it just crushed me and I can't believe that I got rid of that car, but I'm so excited for what's next that I appreciate what that car did for me. I appreciate what the R8 did for me. It's an experience. It was a life I never thought that I would get to live, and I appreciate that I got to do it. Like I think it was Dr. Seuss that said it, don't be sad that it's over, be happy that it's happened. I'm very happy that that happened, and I'm excited to move on to the next thing so that I can say that I've experienced something else. RIP, again, you can let me know in the comments, criticize me all you want if you think this is a horrible idea. Again, I got 150 grand for the car. He did end up taking the wheels, which was cool. He owns a performance shop, as you saw. That was his twin turbo Huracan. So super cool guy. It's going to a person that obviously is going to take care of it. I don't know what he's going to do with it, but it was the spec that he wanted. It's the spec that he got. We got to ride in a cool car. Bro was trying to make me regret my decisions right out. He's like, hey, by the way, here's a twin turbo Huracan, which is the same thing as the R8, but we're still gonna go twin turbos, just, you know, on an E-Ray. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I think next video, I'm hoping next video, we're getting my drag car back, Stangry. We got a complete overhaul, brand new setup, Holly, single turbo, everything got powder coated, everything got redone. The car looks insane. I think Chris is wrapping it up. We're waiting on some powder coat. I'm really excited to show you guys that. And then we're gonna take it to hopefully a TRC event to test it out. And then FL2K after that to try and win ourselves a trophy with our brand new setup. But either way, again, let me know what you guys think in the comments about the R8. RIP Jarvis. He died in the movies too, so it kind of fits, but that is going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.